नमस्ते, मैं प्रेमचंद सर। आज हम आप सबको महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड जो 10th स्टैंडर्ड ज्योमेट्री है उसका पहला जो लेसन है सिमिलरिटी, वो लेसन के बारे में सबसे पहले रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन के बारे में जानेंगे। उसके बाद रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल, उसके बाद प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सिमिलरिटी, उसके बाद एक्सरसाइज 1.1 और फिर हम लास्ट में बेपेटी थ्योरम पढ़ेंगे। मैं आप सबसे फिर एक बार विनती करता हूं, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज इस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में बेल बटन जो है उसे दबाएं और सेलेक्ट करें ऑल, ताकि जितने भी वीडियोज है न्यू अपलोड होंगे उन सब के नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते जाएंगे। और यहाँ पे सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये है, आपका हर क्वेश्चन जो आंसर है वो क्लियरली पॉइंट टू पॉइंट बताया जाएगा, हर सम को डिटेल में बताएंगे। तो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन। Let A and B be the two number. Then ratio means A upon B. This is a ratio. And proportion, that is A proportion B. उम्मीद है आप ये सब अच्छी तरह से समझ गए होंगे कि रेशियो क्या होते और प्रोपोर्शन क्या होते हैं। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एरिया ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल। रेशियो, लेट ट्राइंगल ABC and this is our height AD and triangle PQR and this is our height, that is S. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, हाफ इंटू बेस हो जाएगा, दिस इज योर बेस and this is your height. Similarly, this is your height and this is your base. So half into base into height. Sorry, base is your BC and height is your AD upon a half into in triangle PQR. QR is the base and PS is your height. Now half and half that cancel, equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS और इक्वल टू, अभी BC जो है इसको B1 लेते और AD जो है H1, दैट इज B1 इंटू H1 अपॉन B2 इंटू H2. Hence ratio of area of two triangle is the ratio of product of base and height of both triangle. I hope you will be understand. Next point, property of similarity. Property of similarity. First property, if the height of both triangle are equal, that is H1 equal to H2. See, this is a triangle A, B, C and AD is your height, that is a H. Similarly, triangle P through R, this is your height, that is PS, height H. Here H equal to H means if the height of both triangle are equal, that is H equal to H or H1 equal to H2. area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to half into same, this is your base and this is also your base, half into BC into AD upon half into QR into PS, half that cancel, therefore BC, अभी BC को B1 लेंगे into H, B2 into H, बिकॉज हाइट जो है वो सेम है, सो H और H गेट कैंसल, B1 इक्वल अपॉन B2, A1 अपॉन A2 इक्वल टू B1 अपॉन B2. Hence, the ratio of area of two triangle with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. This is your final statement. Now, property 2. If the base of both triangle, if the base of both triangle are equal, that is B1 equal to B2, see A, B, C, D and Q, P. This is our H1 or this is our H2. Say ACB is your triangle and base is AB. Similarly, APB is your triangle and also base is AB. So our base is equal. Therefore, area of triangle ACB upon area of triangle APB equal to half into base is your AB and height is your CD, and also half into base is your AB and height is your PQ. So AB get cancel and half also get cancel. A1 upon A2 equal to H1 upon H2. Hence, the ratio of the area of two triangles with equal base is equal to ratio of their corresponding height. This is your statement. Now, basis of similarity. First point, area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Second point, base of triangle 2 into area of triangle upon height, right? Third point, height equal to 2 into area of triangle upon base. Fourth point, the sum of all angle of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Fifth one, perimeter of triangle equal to the sum of length of all side of triangle. Now, practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height height is 6. Find the ratio of area of these triangle. Solution. The one H1 equal to 5, B1 equal to 9, or H2 equal to 6, B2 equal to 10. To find A1 ratio A2. Solution. A1 upon A2 equal to B1 into B2 B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. This is your formula. Therefore A1 upon A2 equal to 5 into 9 upon 6 into 10. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 upon 4. That is A1 upon A2 equal to 3 upon 4. Hence, the ratio of area of these triangle is 3:4. Next, question number 2. See, A, B, C, D. Here in triangle ABC, AB is your base and BC is your height. This is your base, that is common, and this is a height, and this is also a height. Solution. The one BC equal to 4AD equal to 8. Find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABD or ADB. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to half into base into height, that is a BC, half into base, that is a height AD. See, half of half get cancel, AB also get cancel. Therefore A1 अपॉन A2 इक्वल टू BC अपॉन AD। अभी BC जो है 4 है और AD 8 है, तो 4 अपॉन 8, 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, हाफ अपॉन 1 अपॉन 2, A1 अपॉन A2। Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to half upon 2. This is your final answer. Now, question number 3. R Q S P T. This is our height and this is also a height. And for this triangle, this is our base. And for this triangle, this is our base. Now the one R2 equal to 6, PS equal to 6, PR equal to 12. To find QT equal to what? See, R2 is your this one and PS. So we will consider RP2 and R2 will be base and PS will be a height. So area of triangle. Area of triangle PRQ equal to half into, suppose we consider TQ is your base, so half into PR into QT, right? So half into PR is your 12 into 30. So 2 6 and 6 30. Area of triangle PRQ equal to. Similarly, area of triangle PRQ, but base will be changes and also height will be changes. then half into R cube into PS. So half into R cube is your sets and PS is your sets. 2 3 are 6. Therefore, area of triangle PRQ equal to 3 6 are 18 cm. 18. Now, area of triangle PRQ equal to 630. Therefore, we can put here 630 equal to 18, 30 equal to 18 upon 6, that is 3. 30 equal to 3. Hence, the value of 2t is 3. Next, question number 4. A, B, C, and D. This both line is your parallel. So height is from and for each triangle. Solution given AP perpendicular to BC and AD parallel to BC to find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD equal to what? See, ABC, this is your triangle number 1. So base is your this one, half into BC into height is your AP. Similarly, BCD, BCD, half into base will be same and height also AP. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD equal to 1. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle BCD. This is your final answer. I hope you will be understand. I request you, please like and subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.